Hello again, YouTube. What up? Welcome back to the HD spot. And today I will be showing you guys how to change your shift knob, your OEM shift knob to an aftermarket shift knob. I actually just posted this video like not 1, 2, 3 days ago, and actually got a few messages asking, can you please do another one, show us with a different shift knob to see if universal fit actually do work. And someone saying, can you please post again but in a better quality so that they could see. All right, I thought, why not? I actually did plan on getting another aftermarket shift knob from my car, and I did get one from Amazon. If you guys are interested, I can post a link below. It's carbon fiber style, just to match the carbon fiber pieces that I have on here. So again, simple process. All we're gonna do is remove the shift knob by twisting counterclockwise. Some cars you may have to add a little bit more force, most of the time not really. You may not have this. That's the universal mount that allows you to plug in various sizes of aftermarket shift knobs. Like I said, I've already previously had aftermarket shift knobs on my car, so I kind of left that mount on, but it's easy. It's like a twist on twist off deal. So your car may or may not have that if you haven't had any aftermarket shift knobs installed, and you just push down on the shift boot. All right, so from the very beginning I will show you. Take this and just twist off with a little bit of force. Be sure to catch your shift knob when it's finally undone, because these are quite heavy, they're weighted. You don't want to damage your interior pieces that are in pristine condition, as I've said before. And here we are, aftermarket shift knob. Again, push down on the shift boot. Some cars you may or may not have to do that part. And now I am stuck with this universal mount. Your car may not have that. All I need is one of these bad boys just to get it off there. Alrighty, and I'll do that. So after loosening with my tools, you can see it's just easy. Everything's twist on, twist off. Nothing too complicated. There it is, it's off. Okay, now let's take a look at the aftermarket shift knob. I just literally pulled it out the box just now. So this is exactly how most universal aftermarket shift knobs come. See, it comes with its own hardware right here. It's like little sizers, or mounts as I like to call them. The interior right here. So what happens is, the size of your aftermarket shift knob may or may not match the port, let's say, that it's going to be plugging into, right? You have these sizers to fill in that difference. If you're lucky and you know your measurements, sure, it'll fit. If not so lucky, or you weren't sure, don't worry. They try to include the more common sizes so that this can plug either right onto this or here, and then you can screw it together, just filling in that space. Okay, and that's exactly why I've had my old mount on here, because my old aftermarket shift knob did not sit properly on this, so this just filled in that gap between the two. So I will go ahead and test fit which one fits, and I will show you guys. Okay folks, so this one was too small. This one, where did it go? And this one was too big. And as you can see, I already have the other one in there. That was perfect fit. I also left one of my other universal mounts just because I kind of like seeing that separation between my shift knob and my shift boot. But here, let me show you guys my new one. That reflection is kind of strong. Anyways, 6-speed shift knob with the reverse. It's actually really nice. Holy, it's so shiny. And the carbon fiber is actually so clean. And you can get this on Amazon. It just kind of fits perfectly with the whole theme of the car. So yeah, like I said, all I really did was twist this off counterclockwise, push my shift boot down like that, remove any old mounts that I had, but in this case I kind of left it just because I like that look of it being raised. find the right sizer of my universal fit shift knob, put my shift knob back on, and lift my shift boot back up like this. Alrighty, and that is it. If you guys have any other video suggestions, just send me a message. For those of you that sent me a message to post this video, here you are, you're welcome. I hope you like my new shift knob, because I know I do. That is I signing off. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all at the next one.